Hi, my name's Frances and I teach the Cert 3 in Animal Care Services and the Cert 4 in Marine and Terrestrial. Probably all the practical side of things. So both the Cert 3 and the Cert 4 have a lot of different practicals. The Cert 3 we get to go on a lot of excursions, see a lot of different wildlife parks. So it's good to take the students out and expose them to the industries that they might come into contact with later on. And in the Cert 4 we do a lot of more scientific based practicals, dissections. We go up to the fisheries department and we get to see different people in industries and talk with them. So yeah, probably those are the favourite parts of both courses. Variety on all the different areas they can go into, so that's something I think is really good in the course. They get to see all the different areas of expertise they can choose to go down. So it's really good eye-opener. The animal industry itself is very, very large, so it's a really good opportunity to see all the different ways that you can channel your passion. You might not be interested in the broad spectrum caring for animals, but you might more be interested in research, and so the courses, both the Cert 3 and the Cert 4, are really good at exposing students to what's available and what's actually out there. Okay, so in the Cert 3, expected to do would be demonstrating that they know how to care for a variety of different animals, from your mammals, like even your dogs and your cats, down to your native animals like your roos and your possums, all the way through to various reptiles, your lizards, your snakes, your fish as well, and also some bird species too. So some really good abilities to show and demonstrate how they would care for those animals. And then in the Cert 4, it's much more theory based in the sense that the students are expected to demonstrate that they know how to research scientific principles, understand the biology behind animals and the environment. So they're expected to be able to demonstrate that they know how to go about finding that information, and then how to collate that information and put it into something tangible. I have a few. Probably the beach field trips with the Cert 4. So I've done 2 now over the last couple of years. They're always good. They come towards the end of the year. Everyone knows each other really well by that point. Everyone's having a great time. We're there obviously to do work, but by that point it's watching students take the skills that they've learned and the knowledge that they've gained throughout the year and applying it in a workplace setting, gets everybody out, it's down the beach, everyone has a great day anyway. So yeah, probably those 2 excursions the last 2 years have been really good.